about coffee.
Your coffee is coming.
Today's Monday. Mom needs something strong to kickstart the week.
Americano is perfect.
Tuesday. Dad is getting his hard-earned pay today.
We'll celebrate with his favorite whiskey cold brew.
Wednesday. Mom's worked full pace for a couple of days.
I will get her some hand-pulled mandolin to slow her down.
Thursday. Let's fix Dad up with the sparkling lemon coffee. He's working from home today. Finally, Friday. Let's get the robot hands to make Mom a Shanghai-style latte.
Weekends are my favorite.
We are at the popular Beer Claw Cafe that especially hires disabled baristas. I will get Dad his specialty drink, the iced mint latte.
I'm Liu Ziyi. Stay spirited, Shanghai. Be strong like coffee.